Hey everyone, welcome to the class and I hope you all are excited for today's session. Well, again we are going to have a quiz as you all know that, and it's on understanding quadrilaterals. Yes everyone, hi Dhruv, yes we are meeting again. Hi Garvit, hi Advika, S. Nagendra, Ravi, Arpita. We have one more Arpita here. Hi Rashmi. Yes, that's good, Dhruv. That's nice. Hi, Papiya, Aditya, Bhavya, Smita. So, meanwhile, we are talking quickly. I think you know the drill. Quickly go to menti.com, use this code 47757893. Quickly join the quiz and let me know in the chat that you have joined. Hi, Rudrakshi, Shaurya, Aditya. So, before coming for the quiz, I'm assuming that you all are well prepared for it. You must have done a revision. You must have watched the session that we have already done. Thank you, Harsimran. Joined Advika, Papiya, Aditya, Smita, Garvit. Yes, everybody, quickly join it and let me know in the chat that you have joined. It's going to be very interesting quiz. Wow, that's nice, Ritika. You were able to maintain the position. See, again, rank doesn't matter, but still, it's good that you managed to get a position in the leaderboard. Yes. Hi, Pranjal, Sadhika, joined. Joining in 2 minutes. Okay. All right, quickly join it. So, I'm moving to the next slide. So quickly, I'm sure that once you have joined, it will redirect you to a page wherein you just have to fill in your details like your name, your telephone number, your grade, and your area pin code. Quickly fill in all the details and let me know in the chat that you have filled. Quick, you have to be really quick because once I move to the next slide, you won't be able to fill in the details, and be very careful while filling the details because your whatever particulars, whatever details you are sharing, it has to be same throughout. Right? Because you know that the results that we are going to announce at the end, that's going to be a cumulative result. So if you want to get the goodies, please fill the accurate details that you have been filling. Yes, Esna Gandra. Yes, I'm going to wait for another 15-20 seconds on the same slide. Don't worry. Let everybody fill it, then I'll move ahead. Yes, Aprajita, I think you are new here. Yes? Pranjal, quickly everyone. Advika, S. Nagendra, Ritika, done. Papiya, no tukka time. Yes. The moment Papiya comes for a math quiz, Papiya thinks ki okay, let's start with the tukka time. Yeah. Dhruv. Yes, Dhruv, they can do that. Shaurya, Dhruv, Pranjal, Sadhika, Rudrakshi, Palak. Hi, Palak. Quickly, everybody. I can see a lot many students have joined. Thank you, Bhavya. You want a Menti war for 8th as well. Don't worry. We will come up with that soon. S. Nagendra is also saying no tukka. So I'm sure that since it's a math quiz, quickly be ready with your notebooks and pens because try not to do things mentally. I know that some of the questions can be done mentally. That's good. But not all of them, right? It's better we write it and then solve it. I know the Papiya. I know that. Yes. No tukka this time. That's good. Yes, Advika, Su. Yes, definitely. I know a lot many people are saying come up with Menti wars, ma'am, for grade 8th too. We will do that. But quickly, now that the quiz hasn't started yet, quickly share it in your school groups with your friends as well. Quickly share the link of this video, of this session so that others can also join. It's going to be more fun then, right? Moreover, these are free sessions, right? Let's everyone take the advantage of it. Best thing is people can come here. They can understand things. If you have any doubts, since these are live sessions, you can get your... Right? Harsimran, see, the time that we give you here, it's given appropriately, right? But if you feel that still you need more time, so what do I always say? What is our takeaway from that? What we learn from here is that we need to learn time management. We need to practice more such kind of questions. Yes. I'm here only. I wasn't vanished. No, I'm here only. Yes, guys, please quickly hit the like button as well. I think everybody has filled in the details. I've given ample time. Let's get started. But before that, one quick update regarding the Telegram channel. I know that students who have joined it, they would know about all the things. But the students who are new here, let me tell you, Revision questions we share there. On Sunday, we share some interesting facts, homework questions, quizzes, session updates, of course, and yes, session PDFs. Whatever sessions we are doing here, we share the PDFs as well over the Telegram channel. Isn't that so useful, right? After going through the session, you can just quickly take a look at the notes. That these notes are really fruitful before you have to, in case you have to revise anything before the exam day, isn't it? All right. There's a duplicate Papia here. Is it so? Okay, don't worry, Papia. We know the real Papia. We know the real Papia actually. Yeah? All right, everybody. The link for this is given in the description. Please quickly join it if you haven't yet. Yes? All right, for now, let's get started. So I can see many people have joined. We can see these cute icons over here. So in all, there are going to be 10 questions in this quiz. All right, so let's get started. Here we go with our first question. Faizan, all right. A quadrilateral has two of its angles as 30 degree and 40 degree. What type of quadrilateral can it be? Two angles. Make a rough quadrilateral, a four-sided figure. Mark two angles, any two angles, 30 and 40 degree. So what type of quadrilateral can it be? Then think about the properties for each one of them. Yes, who is it? Who is the another duplicate Papia? Quickly, I want to know the real name of the duplicate Papia. Yeah. Because once the real Papia will type something, I'll get to know it. He has been coming for the past so many months. So now I know. Basically, jo bhi likhega, I will be able to understand. Done. Ritika, done. People are guessing. Maybe he is Mayank. Is it so? Now you are confusing me. Is this the real Papia or the other one? All right, everyone. I can see the answers here. So option A, that's the right answer, right? But why do we have confusions? This was a simple one. What happened? Acha, listen. See, in a square and rectangle, what do we know? We know that each of the angles is 90 degrees. So definitely square and rectangle cannot be our answer because question itself says two angles are 30 and 40 degree. That can't be the answer. Okay, moving to the parallelogram. We know that in parallelogram, adjacent angles, they must be either equal or they must be supplementary, right? So 30 and 40 degree, they are neither supplementary nor equal. That also can't be an answer. We are left with only one option, that is trapezium, right? Because there are no such restrictions for trapezium, so that would be the answer. Hi Divya, it's okay. I think you have now joined. Yes, Shriyasi, you also have missed one question. Quickly join the quiz using this code. I think the code is not visible, right? All right, everyone. Yes, elimination method. Yes, that's what we can do when we come across the MCQ questions. Yes, sure, Riyaz. I know you're an old student. Yes, Army girl Palak. Yes, we know that. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 2 now. A square is not a special case of rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle, and trapezium. It's not a special case of. So this question you will only be able to answer if you know the properties for all of them. Thank you, Nitya. Real Papia with changed name. Again, we are getting confused. What's my name? See, it's been so long since we have been doing sessions on this channel. So I think initially I used to tell my name at the beginning of the session. Now I've stopped saying it, thinking that now everybody knows it. Well, my name is Khushbu and I'm a math educator at this channel. Yes. Filling details. Yes, Apostles Academy. See, now you won't be able to, you won't get that page. Reason being, I have now moved ahead, right? That's why next time onwards, please be on time for the quizzes. Yes, everybody. Still, confusion is going on in the chat. Fake Papia, real Papia. All right. Thank you. It was yesterday, S. Nagendra. All right. Let's move ahead. So here we could see option D is the right answer. Now quickly let's take a look at the solution. Square is not a special case of. Okay. If we talk about a square, we know that all sides are equal. Each of its angles are going to be equals to 90 degrees. talk about a rhombus. Rhombus is a square when all angles of a rhombus are equal to 90 degree. When all angles, right? Talking about the next option, parallelogram. We can call it a square when all the sides are equal, when all the angles are equal. Rectangle will be called a square if all the sides are equal, but we know opposite sides are equal only. Trapezium, a square cannot be a trapezium, as in trapezium only one of the opposite sides are parallel, right? So that cannot be the answer. Yes, Preetham, thank you so much. Don't worry. Sometime we will plan that as well. All right, all right. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 3 now. No, Pranjal, it was yesterday. Draw a quadrilateral and then draw all its diagonals. How many triangles can be found? Make a draw. Okay, I tell you the hint for this. Make a quadrilateral and then draw the diagonals. Yes? And then try this out. How many triangles can be found there? Thank you, Bhavya. Yes, does someone remember the code? Because it's not coming here on the slide. Does anyone remembers it? If you know that, can you please post that in the chat? Yes, quickly everyone. Yes, another 12 seconds we have got. Yes, everybody, quickly. So code is 47757893. It's 47757893. Thank you so much, Pranjal, for helping others. Yes, everybody, Palla, Kritika, thank you so much. Quickly, everyone, those who have joined late, it's okay, yes, Nagendra. Those who have joined late, quickly go to menti.com. Use this code. It's there in the chat, 47757893. Yes, everyone. I hope everybody has joined it. Meanwhile, we can just quickly take a look at the solution. See, this is a four-sided figure. Now, if you join the diagonals, what do we see here? Simply, I joined, what are diagonals basically? They are basically the line segments which are formed by joining the opposite, the non-consecutive vertices. So, D and B are non-consecutive, A and C are non-consecutive. So, we have got these two diagonals. Triangles, you can see 8 triangles could be formed here. Yes? This was a simple one. How could you go wrong here? All you had to do is just draw a quadrilateral, join the diagonals and answer this. Quickly everyone, if you're enjoying this session, if you're liking it, quickly hit the like button. You went back and saw the code. That's good. Thank you. Yes, thank you everyone. Whomsoever has posted the code for others. Yes. All right, all right. Quickly, everybody, quickly hit the like button if you're liking the session, if you're enjoying it. How many of you actually share it in your school groups with your friends? Yes. Apostles Academy, now you won't be able to do it, right? But it's okay. It's fine. From the next time onwards, try to be on time, but still you can join the quiz, right? That's also important. Here you can come and you can see how much you're actually prepared for this chapter. Many students are saying that they have shared it in their school groups. They have shared it with their friends. Wow, that's so nice. All right, all right. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at the leaderboard. That's good, Shaurya, Joshita, Advika, Aditya, Shaurya Arts. Yes. So here we can see Bhavya is the one who has managed to give maximum right answer and she is the fastest. She's got 2,743 points. That's amazing. Then Gungun, Garvit, Sadika, Lola, Room, Harsimran, Tiger Baby, Shaurya, Saraswata. Wow, that's amazing. So proud of all of you. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 4. 19th rank is good, Palak. Dhruv, that's nice. Himanshi, 5th place. Wow, Papaya. Find angle ABF from the given figure in degrees. This is an interesting one. Please don't do it mentally. Try solving this. And this time I'm assuming that all of you are going to give the right answer. Not a very difficult question if you know the basic properties of a quadrilateral, right? Yes, everybody, quickly. Yes, 21st. That's good, Aditya. This is a simple one. Papya, why do we need to do a tukka here? This question is not difficult. Shaurya is done. Palak is done. Shreyasi, done with it. How many of you are actually doing tukka here? Though this doesn't require tukka. Yes, Advika. Yes, that is possible that she's not attending, that she's attending mentee, yeah. This chapter came in your math paper also. Oh, we can see right answer is 60 degree, and you can see that so many students are having confusion in this. Yeah, why is it so? What happened? This is not difficult. You need to find angle ABF, right? ABF you can see over here in the smaller quadrilateral. So if you see this BCD and BCH, they're forming a linear pair. From there you can get the value of angle BCD, right? That's going to be 145 degrees. Now in this quadrilateral BEDC, here we know that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral, that's 360 degree. So let's put the values 105 degree, 50 degree, 145 degree. We can subtract all that from the 360 degree. You will get 60 degree from there. And if that is 60 degree, angle ABF will also be 60 degree. Vertically opposite angle, simple one. Yes? Quickly everyone. Any doubt? Bhavya did it mentally. Yes, quickly everyone. 2 on 4, 3 on 4 till now. That's good. It's okay. 2 on 4, 50%. 3 on 4, it's okay. See, now you know that I'm making errors over here, right? So practice such kind of questions after the session. Yes, everybody. No doubt till here. Great. Let's move ahead now. Let's quickly take a look at question number 5. Yes, code. Again, students are asking for code. Thank you, Bhavya. Thank you, Pranjal. Take this code. Yes, this is the code which is there in the chat. You can use this code and join the quiz. So what is the message of an exterior angle of a regular nonagon in degrees? 40 degree, 100 degree, 140 degree, 90 degree. I think this is the topic that I've discussed a lot many times before as well. Fake Papaya is acting as your slave. This chat is really interesting today. We have got 2 papayas. One is a real one, other is a fake one, right? It's like real papaya ko dhundo. Apsara, all right. All right, quickly everyone. We have got 22 seconds to answer this. Yes, Shreyasi, this is right. Jai Mata Di, right answer. Tukka, no tukka. Try solving it. Oh, misclick. It's okay, Papaya. All right, Gungun, no problem. Yes, Harsimrani, but I'm not able to figure out. All right, so we can see answers here. 40 degree is the first one. That's the answer. Some are saying 100 degree, 140 degree, 90 degree. How are we getting this? All we need to know to answer such questions is a simple formula, right? See, sum of an exterior angles of a polygon, irrespective of the number of sides, doesn't matter. That is 360 degree. In a nonagon, the number of exterior angles, the measure of all the exterior angles will still remain be same, 360 degree. But nonagon has got 9 sides. So measure of each exterior angle is going to be 360 degree by 9. That's 40 degree. Doesn't matter how many sides it has got, formula is still the same. 360 degree, divide by the number of sides it has. So this has got 9, simply 40 degree. Misclick but still worked. My God. You have got such a great luck, I must say. Is anybody able to figure out? Everybody is confused between real and fake papaya. Yeah? Mayank is pranking. Yes, because Mayank is not there in the chat today. All right, no worries. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at the next question. Question number 6. Yes, Papaya, you're indeed lucky. Which among the following has the greatest number of diagonals? Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. This is a very simple one. You can simply make a triangle. First, you can try with each of these options one by one. I think that's the right way to answer such questions. Don't be in a hurry. Do not rush. A very simple question. I can see answers in the chat here. We're already done with it. Yes, Bhavya, this is a mentee. I hope that you have joined it. If you haven't joined it yet, you can join it using the code. Can anybody please post the code again in the chat? Yes, Palak, your messages are visible. Okay, so option D, that's the right answer. And maximum students have given the right answer this time. I'm really happy. Still, the ones who have confusions, you can now take a look. For triangle, zero diagonals. Reason, the diagonal is basically a line segment that is found by joining the non-consecutive vertices. In triangle, all of them are consecutive. Not possible, right? In quadrilateral, if I join the non-consecutive one, that's going to be what? 2 diagonals in that case. For pentagon, 5 diagonals, and hexagons, 9 diagonals. So hexagon has the greatest number of vertices among the options, right? Greatest number of diagonals among the options. Facing network issues. It's okay, Ritika. Thank you, Manshi, for posting the code. Whomsoever hasn't joined the quiz yet, quickly join it using this code 47757893. Okay, finally the fake papaya has left as papaya is saying. We don't know. Is that real papaya or fake? Yes. Madam, I think you are new here. I hope that you have joined the quiz. Yes, Joshita, makes sense. More sides, more vertices, more diagonals, right? Papaya Mayank tha. Because Mayank is not here today. So once Mayank joins, the real Mayank actually joins, then we'll ask him. All right. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at the leaderboard. What do you think? Who all are going to be there on the leaderboard this time? Any guesses? Okay, so Bhavya is the fastest and she's the one who has given the maximum right answers as well. Wow, amazing Bhavya. Then Shaurya, Mahi, PR Quadrilaterals, Somik, Saraswata, Aditya, Akshay, Gungun, Nitya. Who is PR Quadrilaterals, by the way? I would be more happy if you can use your actual names. At least I should be able to understand who all are actually there on the leaderboard. Yes, everybody, 45th Shriyasi. It's okay. Rank doesn't matter, right? All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at the next question, question number 7. Okay, so in the given diagram, the value of x is dash degrees. Acha, Mayank has done this with you as well. Okay, then it is understandable. This is possible. PR Quadrilateral is you. How do we trust you now? Already we are confused. Are you the real one or you're the fake one? Thank you, Ritika. I'm glad. That's the spirit. Yes, everybody. Advika is done. 30th. Not bad, Ivanchi. It's okay. Yes, quickly, everyone. Not a difficult question. You have to find out the value of x, right? Think about this. Just see. It's basically a 4-sided figure, right? I think already we have discussed the concepts that we are going to use here in this question, in the previous few questions that we've already discussed. All right, time is up. Let's see who all have given the right answer. Wow, correct answer is 160 degree. And some are saying 120 degree also, 150 degree, 130 degree. I don't know why there is a confusion. It's a very simple question though. So we can see this quadrilateral ABCD over here, right? It's a 4-sided figure. Sum of all the angles inside is going to be 360 degree. Let's add them up, 40 degree, 50 degree, 70 degree. Plus angle CDA, that would be 360 degree. From here you can get the value of angle CDA. That would be what? 200 degrees. Now I have the value of this angle over here. This angle, right? So this is basically what? This is 200 degrees. So entire angle is 360 degrees. That's going to be x equal to 360 degrees minus 200 degrees. So x would be 160 degrees. Basically this angle is BCD, which we are saying 200. That's BCD actually, not CDA. Don't get confused, right? So BCD is 200 degrees plus x entire is 360. It only works always in maths. I don't know how it works. All right, simple one. It wasn't a difficult question, but I would like to say one thing here that like in quadrilaterals, I could see that in many questions, you guys are making errors. So I hope that you have actually rewatched the session that we have, the concept session that we have done on quadrilaterals, because I feel that you have some confusions. So people who are still confused, you have doubts, please, after this quiz, go through the actual sessions. I mean, the concept sessions that we have done. It will not take much time. Just increase the speed and watch it. And first, revise the concepts, then try out the questions. I'm sure that next time when you come for a quiz, especially for the quadrilaterals one, you would be able to you would be able to give all the right answers. So revision is must. Because of fake puppy, your rank is improving. All right. Hi, teaching by Askin. I think you have now joined. So if you have now joined, quickly join the quiz. Go to menti.com and use the code. It's 47757893. Quickly, everyone. All right. Let's take a look at question number 8 now. Yes. 5 on 8, 4 on 7. A quadrilateral with two distinct pair of equal length adjacent sides is known as. So we are talking about a four-sided figure over here, a quadrilateral. Two distinct pairs of equal length adjacent sides. What does this mean? Think about this term. Think about these keywords. Without a figure, without understanding the properties, it would be difficult for you to answer these questions. Quickly, everyone. One important thing I would like to say. Yes, it's been in the chat box. It's 47757893. I would like to say that please, for this chapter specifically, go through the properties again. I think this is where you are going wrong. That's why you're not able to give all the right answers here. So answer is D. And I can see many of you are confused here. See, this is a quadrilateral, right? Four-sided figure with two different pair of equal lengths, adjacent sides. AD and DC are adjacent. They are equal length. AB and BC are adjacent. They are equal length, right? That's what do we call such a quadrilateral? That's called a kite, right? Yes, distinct word you have seen in the property of kite. That's good, Aditya. Conducting Menti quiz without you, that's not fair. Oh, Askin, you should have joined a couple of minutes before. Already we are at the second last question. Answer sahi aa rahe hain, jump kar loon. Wow, that's good. It's good that you're getting all the answers correct. This shows that the conceptual understanding, that's clear here. It's okay, Pau, Shine World. You have joined late, obviously. But next time onwards, see, as we told you, to get the BYJU'S goodies, you have to come regularly for the quizzes and on time as well so that you can fill in all the details. Apostles Academy, we will come up with that soon. Now, you can just see the quiz, Askin, because last question is there. And after that, you can just see the entire quiz by increasing the speed also. Because revision is also important. You must have your exams also coming up, right? Only 2 incorrect. Only 2 incorrect. That's good, Ritika. That's a good number. All right, let's quickly move ahead to the second last question. Question number 9. Which of the following is true? All parallelograms are kites, all kites are parallelograms, some kites are parallelograms, none of the above. Again, to answer such questions, we need to have a good understanding about the properties of all these quadrilaterals, right? Yes, Nagendra, which language is this? I'm not able to understand. Oh, in Kannada, okay. 25th. So I'm sure that this chapter might be a part of it, right? So see, these quizzes are actually good for your revision, for your practice also. And many times I've seen this just while solving a few questions in the quiz. I've seen students that their rank is improving just after solving 5-6 questions. And it happens. Gradually, you will see an improvement in yourself if you are disciplined enough to regularly show up for your classes. Yes, Joshita. Yeah. Papi again, Tukka. Prathamesh, yes, I think you are new here. I can see some new names over here. Satvik, Prathamesh, yes. Space Quizzer. Please, no answers in the chat. You can just let us know that you are done with it. Very close, you can see. Option C is the right answer. But as I said, these are confusing ones because understanding of properties is must here. Ankita. All right. So which is true? The kites that have all the sides equal and 2 pair of sides parallel are parallelograms. These kites are rhombuses. That's why we say that kites are parallelograms, right? Oh no. Shaurya, it's wrong this time. All right, all right. So please, one suggestion, one advice, properties. Please go through the properties again. Watch the sessions because I also feel this thing after taking this quiz that still you guys have a lot of confusion in your mind when it comes to properties. All right, let's move ahead to the last question. Question number 10. No, Trukka trend, Zindabad. No, that's not right. If ABCD is a parallelogram, then the angle bisectors of angle A and angle D meet at O. The measure of angle AOD is 45 degrees. Okay, I'm just giving you a hint. Make a parallelogram, right? Mark that as APCD. Make angle bisectors of A and D. Intersect them at O and measure this angle AOD. That's the right way to answer such questions. No mentally solving. Thank you, Askin. That I also want to know, Papia, how it always works for you. Answer is just true or false. What is the answer this time? इस बार मैंने तुक्का मारा है 7th में ये नहीं है. Then it's okay. Then it makes sense. It's understandable, Ritika, because you are in a different grade, in a lower grade. So, but still you are coming for these quizzes. I mean, it's good for practice. The concepts are more or less the same. Only you see a higher version of that concept in the next grade. Right, usko आशीर्वाद है. We can say that. Yes. Research should be done. Yes, on Papiya's Tukkas. Oh yeah, we do remember Tukka God. That's good, Shreyasi. If you're regularly coming for all the unit tests. Oh, yes, Gungun, you have missed a few questions. Correct answer is false, but still maximum students feel that it's going to be true. Why is it so? I explained you make a figure and then do it. I hope the figure that you made, it resembles this, right? Now, let's say angle AOD, that's 45 degrees, it's mentioned, right? Angle A, we don't know what that is. Let's say it is X. So angle D, since it's a parallelogram, we know that adjacent angles, they are supplementary. Their sum is 180. That's going to be 180 degree minus X. So let's add these angles up in this triangle. What do we get? We have angle AOD equals to 180 degree minus angle ADO plus angle DAO. Let's put everything here, 180 degree minus x by 2. Why x by 2? Because question specifies it's a bisector, angle bisector. Plus this angle AOD over here, I think it's an error. It's meeting at 90 degrees, not 45 degrees in the question. That's 90 minus x by 2, that's going to be 90 degree. I think that's the reason that your answer might have varied, because in the question itself it was 45 degrees, right? So we will not consider this question for this one. That's okay. We will not consider this because itself there is a error here because it was supposed to be 90 degrees. But I hope the concept is clear. We don't have any confusion there. Alright, so this was the last question. Now let's take a look at the leaderboard. ICSE and do CBSE at home. Wow, that's good, Bhavya. Because there was some confusion in the question, right? Thank you, Advika. Leaderboard, yes, Bhavya, with 8,069 points. Wow, that's amazing, Bhavya. I'm really proud of you. That's so nice. Well, we are done with the session, but S. Pandey, next time onwards, when you have to join the quiz, please, all of you, please be on time, because I do not want you to miss on that details part, because that is also very important to get the BYJU'S goodies, right? Yes, so when you come for the quiz, please be on time. And now it is done, so obviously you can just go through the recorded session. Okay, so as we always say, we got you covered, right? So many sessions we plan for you from every Monday to Friday so that you excel in your examinations. And please, one thing I would just like to say, whatever suggestions, whatever advice that we give you, please try following it. Like from here in this quiz, I felt that properties is the part where you are mostly struggling with. Please go through the concept sessions that we have done on understanding quadrilaterals one more time. And if you still have any doubts, you can post your doubts in the comment section. All right. So we will come up with some sessions wherein we can take your doubts, right? And like whatever doubts you share with us, we will come up with such sessions wherein we will be solving those doubts. So first of all, you have to go through the sessions that we have done, the concept sessions. Try out some more questions from different books. Mayank is finally here, I feel. Yeah? What do you all think? That's good, madam. That's nice. It's okay, Ankita. Yes, now Mayank is here. That's why I was thinking. Before midterm, yes. Yeah, I can see that you all have doubts. So for this session, for understanding quadrilaterals, you can do one thing. You just post your doubts in the comment section also. Mayank, everybody was able to guess it, that it was you. So we guessed it right, that means. All right, all right. Now let me give you a glimpse of the upcoming session. So it's basically physics versus biology. Again, a mentee war. And the chapters are force and pressure versus microorganisms, friends and foe. It's tomorrow, 22nd July, Friday at 7 p.m. All right, all right. And the link for the Telegram channel, there in the description. Students who are new here, please join it. As I said, so many interesting things, so many interesting videos we share over there. Session PDFs as well, and of course session updates as well. And quickly hit the like button if you're liking the session. Quickly, everyone. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. All right, so I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.